Why, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Singapore, and it's big. Yeah, this comes from Nissin, Singapore. Oh yeah, let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. All right, so in the past year, this will be my third media special promo package that the folks over at Nissin Singapore have sent, and I really appreciate it because they're always super cool. They do all sorts of crazy stuff, and this time it's no different. Check that out. Wow, and this is a big cup of noodles, and it's to tell you about their big cup noodles new spicy tonkotsu flavor. Well, as you can see, the lid comes with a pair of chopsticks glued to it. This is really cool. Those are like serving chopsticks, I'm pretty sure. There are two different types of chopsticks. There's the ones that you eat with and the one that you serve with, and these are extra long, so I think these fall under the variety of serving chopsticks. And then we've got the big metal cup with some cup noodles in here. Let's look at what we got. And as you can see here, this is their big cup noodles spicy tonkotsu. It comes with a card with some information about it. It says, Nissin Cup Noodles proudly launches new spicy tonkotsu flavor under Big Cup Noodles, only in Singapore, starting February 1st, 2023. The seafood flavor, Singapore's second favorite after Tom Yum seafood, is now available in big cup noodles and will launch together with the new spicy tonkotsu flavor in addition to the two existing flavors. Oh, so okay, we've got two new varieties. So we have the new spicy tonkotsu, and then here we are with a big cup noodles seafood variety, so you can get more seafood cup noodles into you. And a big cup noodles Tom Yum seafood. And wow, another one. I haven't reviewed any of these. This is their big cup noodles Japanese cheese curry. Rad. Wow, this is super cool. Yeah, please keep sending these. I absolutely adore unboxing these. These are so much fun. And yeah, I haven't reviewed any of these Singaporean big cup noodles varieties, so I will be doing that soon. And yeah, wow, super cool. Thank you very much yet again, and this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.